Good morning students. After the 12.2 we are moving towards the next point, that is the area of combinations of plane figure. We have already calculated the area of different figures separately. Let us try now the calculate the area of some combination of plane figure through some examples. Okay, so examples from the 12.3 directly. See the first question, find the area of shaded region in this figure given if the PQ is 24 centimeter and the PR is a 7 centimeter given and O is the center of this circle. Here we have to find out the area of shaded region. Suppose from this semicircle we subtract this area of triangle, area of semicircle minus area of this triangle, we will get the area of shaded region. But for the area of semicircle, here this RQ is not given, means diameter is not given. Firstly we have to find out the diameter from this triangle. Okay, so this triangle is, see, in the semicircle, this triangle in the semicircle. Okay, so triangle in semicircle means angle in semicircle made by the diameter is always 90 degree. Okay, so QP is given already. QP is a 24 centimeter and the RP is 7 centimeter. Okay, here shaded region is here, you have to find out. So firstly find out this RQ by the Pythagoras theorem, because RPQ is a right angle triangle at P. Now we got here the RPQ angle is 90 degree by the angle in the semicircle made by the diameter. Okay, so now in triangle RPQ by Pythagoras theorem, RQ is a hypotenuse side because opposite of 90 degree, then RQ square is equal to RP square plus PQ square, and the RP and the PQ already given. So RP is a 7 square plus PQ is a 24 square. So 49 plus 576. So we'll get here the addition means directly RQ square. See, the RQ square is 625. Suppose the taking the square root both sides, so we'll get the value of RQ is 25 here. Okay, if the RQ is a 25, diameter is 25, therefore the radius is 25 by 2. Okay, so we can find out the area of semicircle, but before that we are going to find out here the area of this triangle. This is a right angle triangle, so we can take this one is a height, this one is a base, because they are the perpendicular side, or this one is a height, RP is a height, or QP is a base in the right angle triangle. So firstly find out the area of this triangle RPQ. So area of triangle RPQ is half base into height. So half base is considered 7 and height is 24. So calculate it and find out the area of this triangle. Suppose the after calculation here the area of triangle is a 84 centimeter square. Now find out the area of the semicircle. So area of semicircle means half of circle. Area of circle is a pi r square. Then area of semicircle is pi r square by 2. Now we got already the radius here. So substitute, value of pi is also given 22 by 7. Substitute here. So our radius is a 25 by 2 into 25 by 2 upon 2. So after calculation the area of the semicircle is 6875 by 28. Now the area of shaded region is, suppose we subtract the area of triangle from the area of the semicircle, we will get the area of shaded region. So area of shaded region is area of semicircle. Directly write down here the 6875 minus area of triangle was 84. Okay, so we'll get the area of shaded region is 4523 upon 28 centimeter square or square centimeter. Okay, now we got the answer here, the area of this shaded region. Now we are moving toward the next question, that is question number 2nd. See the question, find the area of shaded region. In this question the diagram is given 12.20. If the radii of the two concentric circle with center O 7 centimeter and the 14 centimeter respectively, and the angle is also given 40 O AOC, then find out the area of this shaded region. So how to find out? Suppose these two sectors are given, one is a bigger sector and one is a smaller sector having the radius, bigger sector having the radius 14 centimeter given already, and the smaller sector having the radius 7 centimeter, this is also given. Suppose we subtract the smaller sector from the bigger sector, we will get the area of this shaded region. So finding out here the next question, that is question number 2nd. Two concentric circle, and in these two concentric circle, this is 7 centimeter radius and this is 14 centimeter radius, and this shaded region we have to find out. So firstly find out the area of sector OBD. So area of sector having the angle, central angle 40 degree. Okay, area of sector BOD, area of sector BOD is theta by 360 into pi r square. So theta is 40 upon 360 into having the radius 7 into 7. So we'll get the area of the smaller sector, and after that we find out the area of the bigger sector. Okay, so here the area of the smaller sector is 154 by 9. So similarly find out the area of the bigger sector, that is a AOC. Okay, same method, by the same method. So area of bigger sector, that is sector AOC, I am writing directly here the area of the bigger sector. Area of the sector AOC is a 616 by 9. Suppose we subtract the BOD, area of sector BOD from the AOC, so we will get the area of shaded region is 616 by 9 minus 154 by 9. So we will get directly 54 by 9. So we will get the area, final area 154 by 3 after calculation. Okay, so now see the next question. This is the answer of the second question, 154 by 3. So you have to calculate the all calculation. Okay, so next question, that is question number 3rd. See the question number 3rd is, in this question this diagram is given. So question, find the area of shaded region if the ABCD square having side 14 centimeter, square is given having side 14 centimeter. Okay, and in this the APD and the BPC are semicircles given. APD and the BPC are semicircles given, and we have to find out the area of this shaded region. See here, suppose we firstly we find out the area of square minus area of this addition of two semicircle, or you can directly find out the area of one circle also. Okay, so firstly find out and subtract this area of two semicircle from the area of square, we will get the area of shaded region. So see, area of shaded region is area of square minus area of two semicircles. Area of two semicircles. So write down directly, area of square is a side square, and minus area of two semicircles means area of semicircle. First semicircle is APD, and the BPC. APD plus area of semicircle BPC. You can directly find out the answer. So you can directly write down here the formulas. Side square, that means the 14 square is given, and semicircle, area of semicircle is pi r square by 2. Okay, and the radius are given pi r square by 2, that is 22 by 7. This is 2 times. Okay, so 2 times pi r square by 2, that means r is given here, the 7 into 7 by 2, pi r square by 2. These two to get cancelled. Okay, I'm directly writing here the answer. See, the answer of this question is, after finding the area of one semicircle is 77, and area of another semicircle is also 77, because both are having the same radius. So we'll get the 196 minus 77 plus 77. So answer is 42 centimeter square. This is the answer. This is the answer of shaded region, area of shaded region. Okay, so now see the next question, that is the fourth question. Okay, fourth question is, the fourth question, see, find the area of shaded region in this figure, where a circular arc of radius 6 centimeter has been drawn with the vertex O, equilateral triangle OAB of side 12 centimeter as a center. Here we have to firstly find out the area of this equilateral triangle and area of this circle, area of circle outside the triangle. Area of circle outside the triangle. How to find out the area of the circle outside? Suppose we subtract this sector up to here, we subtract from the circle area of sector, from the area of circle we will get the area of this outside the triangle. So firstly find out the area of equilateral triangle having the sides 12 centimeter. So area of equilateral triangle OAB is under root 3 by 4 into side square, that is under root 3 by 4 into 12 square. Okay, so you can write the 144 directly, or you can find out the area of the equilateral triangle is 36 under root 3. Now we got here the area of equilateral triangle. Then now area of circle outside the triangle. Okay, so for this find out the area of circle, pi r square, minus area of sector here. So angle is the 60, because this is the equilateral triangle. 60 by 360 into 22 by 7, that means pi r square. R is a 6 given, 6 square, that is 6 into 6. So after calculation, 22 by 7, r square means 6 into 6, will get the value of the area of the circle outside the triangle is 660 by 7. Suppose we add these two, so we'll get the area of this figure. Okay, so add equation number 1 and equation number 2. After adding 36 under root 3 plus 660 by 7, so you will get, so directly the area of this combination of two figure. Okay, 36 under root 3, add this equilateral triangle, area of this, area of circle outside the triangle, you get the total area. Okay, thank you students.